This is how you make Facebook more private and more secure. While you're logged into Facebook, select your account icon, go to Settings and Privacy, and select Settings. In this menu, select Privacy, and then on your right side, go through the things that you can make private. For example, here's the first thing you see: who can see your future posts. If you want everybody to see your future posts, we will be labeled as public, then that's fine. If you don't want everybody to see your post, you can select edit and change it to, for example, friends only. You can go a step further with this. If you go to limit past posts, what this means is that you're limiting the audience for posts you've shared with friends or public. So any past posts that you've posted now can only be seen by your friends. So I highly suggest you change this as well. Who can see the people, pages, and lists you follow? If you change this to public, that means everybody can see the people, pages, and lists you follow. You can select that to change and only change it to friends or only me. So in this case, I'm going to change it to only me. Next one is how people find you and contact you. This is very important for your privacy. Who can send you friends requests? Here it's labeled to everyone, and that's fine if you don't want that. But if you want to do friends of friends to limit the amount of spam, for example, you get a lot of friends invites, people who either want to be your friends or for some other reasons, you can change this to friends of friends. I'm personally going to leave it to everyone, but it's up to you. Who can see your friends list? I have set mine to set to friends, but you can change it to public or friends except and be more specific, or specific friends or only me. I have this changed to friends, so I only allow friends to see my friends list. Who can look you up using the email address you've provided? So this is a big privacy thing. This is Facebook embedded. That means that Facebook is using your email address that you've provided to log in to the Facebook, and based off of that, everyone can look you up because Facebook is allowing this. In this case, I'm going to say only me because to me that's a big deal. I don't want Facebook to be, allowing for people to find me based off of my email. Who can look you up using the phone number you've provided? Same deal with email. I'm going to change this to only me. I do not want people to find me when using my phone number. This is up to you, but this is my personal preference because I value privacy. Do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile? Mine is selected to no, but of course you can change yours to allow for search engines to find you on Facebook. So if you don't want people to find you and for it to come up in the Google results, for example, let's say your name is Bobby Smith. If I go to google.com and type in Bobby Smith, I can find your Facebook profile. I have it disabled. And we got here how you get message requests. Here is potential connections. People with your phone number can send you chats. Friends or friends on Facebook can send you chat requests. And then we've got other people, which is basically anybody that can send you message requests. So if you want to disable this, you can certainly go in here and say do not receive message requests. Same thing for the accounts on Instagram. There you go. I hope you like this. If you like it, please leave a like and leave a comment. Thank you and best of luck.